Hello friends, in this video we'll change the belt tensioner. To do this, disassemble the belt. Next we need to fix the tensioner to unwind the roller nut. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Next, we fix the tensioner and unscrew the tensioner fastening nuts. Then change the tensioner itself. As you can see, it's also in a tense position. Friends, after replacing the tensioner, we need to remove the retains. This retains. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.